Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you two new features of KNXUltimate for Node-RED. On the right of your Node-RED window, you will see two new buttons here. KNX Debug and KNX Monitor. Let's see. Let's start with KNX Monitor. Just click KNX Monitor and a new window will appear. Select the gateway of your KNX installation, in my case this one. Click refresh and you will see all telegrams flowing into your bus. You can also toggle between values true and false. For example, this light, I can turn on this light. This light is on, and turn off this light. This is basically in real time. So you can view this window as well, and you have an overlook of your entire KNX installation. Let's see the KNX debug window. Just click here and a new window will appear. This text box contains all logs of Node-RED Ultimate. Just click refresh and you will see all information about what KNXUltimate is doing. In case of issues, just copy the content, create a new issue in the Node-RED contrib KNXUltimate repository on GitHub, file new bug report, and paste the content whenever you want, whenever you like. So in this case, you can tell the developer what kind of problem your KNX installation will have. Is all for this episode. I will wait you to another video about KNXUltimate GitHub Node. Thank you for watching.
Supervibe nel silenzio della rete nasce un'idea invisibile e concreta, codice